Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes ABC? It's a common question, especially for fans of live TV and popular shows. In this video, I'll explain whether ABC is part of YouTube TV's channel lineup and what you need to know. Let's get into it. Yes, YouTube TV typically includes ABC as part of its channel lineup in most markets. However, the availability of ABC and other local channels depends on your location. YouTube TV offers live access to major broadcast networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, and FOX, but regional restrictions may apply. To check if ABC is available in your area, simply enter your ZIP code on YouTube TV's website during the sign-up process or in your account settings. If ABC isn't included in your region, you might be able to add it through an antenna for over-the-air broadcasts. If this video helped you understand how to find ABC on YouTube TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!